Hello, guys. It is me, Madison Robinson, with my first ever video with Pokemon Battle Revolution. It is amazing how you're here, the only 2 subscribers I have right now, and I can't wait to play this game. So, enough of my yabbering, and let's get started. So, I lied about my first video. I could not find a way that I could, do Shadows of Omnia Pokemon Ranger, Shadows of Omnia. But I decided to make it up to you by playing this awesome thing. Thank you for choosing to fly with Poketopia Airlines today. We will be arriving in Poketopia in just a few minutes. Please take this time to create your own profile before arriving. Thank you. Alright, my name is... I'm just going to go by my original birth name. I don't know why I called it birth name. What if they said my name was too long? Like my videos. Go. Look at this amazing island. If this was a DS game, what would you think? Who are you supposed to be? Welcome to Poketopia. Poketopia is a battle Pokemon theme park where many trainers gather from all around the world. My name is Anna. I'm a receptionist here, and I will be your Poketopian guide. Thank you for coming. I'm not going to take it. I'd listen. Jordan, I did not know you were here. Come over here. I want to talk to you. Hello, peeps. I have some special guests with me today, my sisters. This is Caitlin Robinson, the Wild Pack, and this is Jordan Robinson, the one who did it all and inspired me to do this game. So, shout out to her. And if you have any sisters you'd like to shout out to the comments below, go ahead and do that. And there's my awesome swag sister Yasmin. Say hello to the internet. Hello. They help me do these videos, so shout out to them too.
Woo! Come at it! Yeah! Kick some butt. You know I would.
I know you
So
would.
don't let me down.
Okay.
Yes, I can tell you.
Threaten right now.
Yeah,
It's not necessary. Threats are so not necessary. Sure. Don't let anybody threaten you about a game, okay? Not really that serious.
No, please don't.
Okay, we'll leave you alone. Bye.
Go ahead. Make your thumbs down if you don't want to play this game. Make a thumbs down if you want to play this game.
I'm probably laughing.
I'm just dancing back here in the background since y'all can't see it. That's why my Pokeball is waving all around. I have nothing else to do.
Oh, great.
I really want to take this shirt off.
Because you have to wear this.
Now, remind you, since I do not have a verified account, my videos are going to be a little short. So,
What's this sure about this game, Maddie? I don't sure about this game, Maddie.
move out of the way of the camera. Alright, so I'm just gonna, let's battle. Can you hurry up with the explanation, please? Because I want to get this over with. Let's do a Coliseum battle. Okay. Gateway or Main Street.
Sit down. Do not jump on the couch. You know that. You know that. Park your bump on that couch.
Passionate
On
Rider
the
go
couch.
everywhere. The worst thing about this game is that you never get to see your opponent's Pokemon, so you're gonna have to choose wisely and think of everything. So, okay.
Poketopia Main Street Coliseum. Knockout battle. Battle 1 is all eyes on the challengers. They're ready to battle.
I am so glad that Farfetch'd not a water type.
The battle begins.
Let's do this.
That hurt.
Ah, turned.
The battle is getting intense. Farfetch suffers from its burn.
And then it fell to a roast duck.
And the battle is just beginning. That's gonna be trouble if this becomes a drawn-out battle.
Boom.
Rushing blow. It went down.
Woo!
Chimchar is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win
Let's
this.
check out my trusty
What
turtle.
can we expect to see next? Wartortle is sent out. Its evasiveness rose.
Oh, and just a little disclaimer, guys. The give in button right here, like right here, I will never use that in any of my videos whatsoever. So, if any of y'all like have the time, remind me to never use the give in button. Cause that's basically just lose it right there.
This is not a favorite matchup.
Sorry. Take that, monkey.
A huge amount of damage. It's down.
Your fire has been put out.
Pidgeotto is sent out. The end of the battle is
Pidgeotto is just an incarnation of Pidgeot. That is it.
a small hit. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. Pidgeotto restored its health and feels the relief. The battle has reached its final stage.
Oh, haha, you are
Oh
confused.
no! It attacked itself!
My turtle is feeling sleepy today because this battle is extremely easy.
The substitute appears.
Oh, great!
It hit the substitute. Pidgeotto dozes off. Pidgeotto desperately holds on.
How does he desperately hold on when he's holding on to his dreams?
It couldn't take it. It's down.
You are dead.
The battle has ended. It's a total victory for the blue corner.
Woohoo! First victory. Aaron, wait. Okay, it says 3 brothers. But then, what? See seems like it has a lot of rock. And I'm going to choose
Kyoto. What's that?
Where are your other brothers?
Thousands have gathered at this Coliseum, located on the main street of Poketopia, to witness the big battle that is about to unfold.
What's so big about
Battle
it?
begins. Aerial Ace hits. Take it out already.
Great power comes responsibilities. Unless you're in a Pokemon battle.
Lothar is sent out. The red corner has already taken some serious damage. However, this battle is just getting started.
And then it will end soon. In like 5 minutes.
Aerial Ace hits. Taken down by an intense blow.
Take that.
Skiploom is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this.
Dude,
What kind of
why do you send out your grass types? Why?
Aerial Ace hits.
You are stupid.
A huge amount of damage.
Boy.
Yes,
1,000 boys to you.
battle has ended. It's a total victory for the blue corner.
Of course, your big brother's gonna be so mad at you because you be stupid. Alright, just one more battle since I have an unverified account. Unless for some reason it gets verified. So we've got a Weeping Bell, a Smeargle, a Butterfree, a Jigglypuff, a Celio, and a Machop. So I would suggest this. This. No. How about... No, dragons are free life. Specifically dragons.
Let's play this. Open this.
I'm going to pick War Turtle and move out the camera and I'm just gonna be right. Let's do this. I've never used Rhyhorn in any of my battles except now.
The Coliseum is heating up as the spectators wait for the battle to begin.
Why didn't I pick Pidgeotto?
The blue corner suddenly calls their Pokemon back.
It doesn't make a terrible, horrible choice.
Wartortle
This
is
is what I hate about this game. It never shows you which Pokemon are going to set first, and the Chop looks so muscular in this game. What the?
It hits. A heated
Okay,
battle is
good.
unfolding in the Coliseum.
Good chunk of damage.
Let's do that again. Do that again.
My deadly yawn shall put anyone to sleep. In a few turns. Even muscular Machops. Whatever they're called.
Solid hit. The red corner calls their Pokemon back. Butterfree is sent out.
True.
A beautiful attack. Oh, it was confused.
Yes!
The air in the Coliseum is tense.
Thank you, my beautiful turtle with a tail. Hit yourself. Okay. Well, it never really hits himself when he's got a stack of shielding.
A beautiful attack. A heated battle is unfolding in the Coliseum.
Hit yourself. No, you want to. Anyway. you, Butterfree.
You're in the red corner. This is the
It went down.
Muhaha.
Shop is sent out. The blue corner has the lead when compared
Aha!
to the remaining Pokemon. But we still can't predict the outcome of the battle.
Isn't he still confused? Or is he not? Forgot.
No!
It's down and out.
The dragon shall avenge you.
Charmeleon is sent out.
I wonder if any of your Pokemon evolved in this game.
Mom is here.
Charmeleon starts to attack.
Mom is here.
Go on from under the camera,
Fierce
baby.
blow. It's a
No one wants
hit.
to see you right now.
Actually, Mom is back, you know.
The battle is getting intense. Well, both corners still have a